The voice in the vents. I heard it again last night. A whisper coming from the vents. My own voice calling my name. It all started a few weeks ago after I moved into my new apartment. The place was nothing special, just a small one-bedroom in an old building. But it was cheap, and I needed a fresh start. At first, everything seemed normal. It was quiet, and the neighbors kept to themselves. But then, strange things began happening. I'd be lying in bed, almost asleep, when I'd hear it. A faint whisper, like someone calling my name. I couldn't make out the words at first, just the soft hum of a voice, but it was enough to make my skin crawl. I convinced myself it was just the building settling or the wind outside. But the more I listened,